Morning everybody, welcome back to another John's Junk. Today we're gonna do an Eat Like a Man. And we're gonna do my weekend go-to during the summertime because it doesn't heat the house up that much. I'm been doing this one outside because it's bright. Birds are saying, hey, wanna hook up? It's like nature's tender app. Anyway, we're gonna do home fries and an omelet. I suck at both, but I'm gonna show you how I do mine. First, I got a pot of water, salted generously. If you need me to show you how to boil a pot of water and salt it generously, you're in the wrong place. Then I got a potato. I will show you how I cut that up. I guess you can see that. Anyway, I'm gonna cut it that way, about that much off of it. I like big chunks. Now I got a flat bottom. Now you can write your own joke. You cut these how big you want. I will say that it is useful if they're all the same size, but it doesn't really matter. They'll cook up differently and you'll get a different mouthful. You'll get a different mouth feel out of every bite. So I'm gonna grab those, chopped up like that, and throw them in there. Ow, splishy splashy. And in that, I'm gonna add that much vinegar. That's 1 capful of just plain white vinegar. In it goes. All that's gonna do is, it does something to help the starch and the potato hold together so that in handling that, it'll just come apart. And we're gonna cook these for 5-ish minutes. Breakfast libation. Orange juice cut with citrus monster. So if I'm a little now you know. Let that boil. We'll be back. Now how can you tell when these are done? I can hear you asking. When you can jab one of them and have it just like nice and there we go. That's done. That's ready to come out. So I'm going to strain them off. Don't do what I just did in the house. Your mom's going to get mad. We had skillet. We has heat on this skillet. I'm gonna throw in, oh that's hot. I'm gonna throw in some olive oil. That's too much. That's okay. Gonna give that an opportunity to get hot. Hot. That might be hot enough. That's the kind of noise you want to hear. Once we dump it in, you really want to cover it quick. But I forgot my lid, so I had to go get it. So we're going to cover it, and we're going to let that go for ish minutes. We'll see what happens. Alright, these are starting to get crispy. See that guy there? We want all of them to kind of sort of look like him. Now we can lid off for this bit while they crisp up. Now, the veggies. This is just some frozen mixed vegetables. Get back. Ah, wow, that's hot. Ah, that's hot. Ooh, hot. Looks like a buck a bag, and this is probably a third of it, maybe, if that. Caramelize that a bit. I'm going to go ahead and put some spices on that. This is just adobo seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, and some thyme. It's not going to take much. Go ahead and put some on my potatoes too while I'm at it. No salt, no pepper, because it's in the adobo. We're getting there, we're getting there. These are getting crispy. Not quite crispy enough. You cook yours as crispy as you want. I want mine a little more crispy than that, but I'm hungry and I'm bored and I have stuff I need to do. So that's getting stirred up in there. I'm going to come up here to the high spot. Get back in there, you. Now, huevo number 1. Huevo number 2. And this is just a bamboo skewer. Turn the heat way down. Probably off. Put my lid back on. Forgot the pulled pork. Sitting right there. How did I forget it? I didn't cover it for long enough. That's all right. I suck at omeletting, so you guys bear with me here. I told you I suck at omeletting. Oh well. Now I have literally a cilantro. Oh, and I turned the heat back on. Aroma. Scared the crap out of something in the bushes. That's pretty funny. It's a Mexican market tomato. Heat off. Now this is just some queso dip I made last night. Just using what I had on hand. Just normally what I do for a Sunday morning, Saturday morning, holiday morning. And I don't know how much of that last bit you saw. Camera got hot and shut down. Too hot, too hot. It's like 76 degrees out here. You're an action camera. What? Oh, sweaty. But anyway, I scooped everything out, put it in there. Leftover cheese dip I made last night. Sucky omelet. Cut up a sprig of cilantro, literally a sprig. Put it all in there. Now I'm gonna shove that in my face hole and probably go into a food coma and have to take a nap before I can actually do anything today. That's okay, it's Sunday, who cares? That's it. Thanks for watching, have a good one. Getting the shadow off is gonna be impossible, I say. Impossible.